Kitchen accidents can happen in seconds, especially when working with sharp knives or mandolin slicers. That's where these cut-resistant gloves come in. Designed with level 5 cut protection, they help reduce the risk of accidental cuts while preparing food. Whether you're slicing vegetables, trimming meat, filleting fish, or shucking oysters, these gloves add an extra layer of safety without affecting your grip or movement. Unlike bulky protective gear, they're lightweight, flexible, and comfortable enough for everyday use. The food-safe material makes them suitable for a wide range of kitchen tasks, allowing you to work with more confidence around sharp tools. For anyone who spends time cooking, these gloves offer a simple way to make food preparation safer while maintaining full control of every cut. If cleaning tools are constantly falling over or taking up too much space, this simple organizer can make a big difference. The Amazon Basics wall-mounted broom and mop holder is designed to keep your cleaning tools neatly stored and easy to access. Instead of leaving brooms, mops, dusters, and other tools scattered around the kitchen, laundry room, garage, or garden shed, everything stays organized in one place. The holder features strong grip slots that securely hold handles of different sizes, along with additional hooks for smaller cleaning accessories. Its wall-mounted design helps free up valuable floor space while making your cleaning area look tidier and more organized. Built with durable materials, it's designed to handle everyday use and keep frequently used tools within reach whenever you need them. For anyone looking to reduce clutter and create a more organized home, this is a simple storage solution that can make daily cleaning much more convenient. Removing the core from an apple with a knife can be slow, messy, and often wastes more fruit than necessary. That's where this apple corer comes in. Designed with sharp, serrated stainless steel blades, it quickly removes the core in just one simple motion. Just place it over the center of the apple, push down, and pull out the core. No complicated steps and no unnecessary mess. The sturdy handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for both adults and older children under supervision. It's perfect for preparing healthy snacks, fruit salads, apple pies, or meal prep without spending extra time cutting around the core by hand. Because the corer removes only the center portion of the fruit, you get more usable apple and less waste. The stainless steel construction also makes it durable, easy to clean, and suitable for regular kitchen use. For anyone who enjoys apples regularly, this simple tool can make fruit preparation faster, easier, and much more convenient. Reheating food in the microwave often leaves you with the same problem: splattered sauce, food stains, and extra cleaning afterward. This simple kitchen tool helps solve that. The Tovolo microwave food cover is designed to sit over your plate while food heats up, helping contain splatters and keep your microwave cleaner. Instead of constantly wiping down the inside of your microwave, the cover helps prevent messes before they happen. Its vented design allows steam to escape during heating, which can help food warm more evenly while reducing excess moisture buildup. The collapsible design is another useful feature, allowing it to fold down when not in use, saving valuable storage space in your kitchen. Lightweight, easy to clean, and simple to use, it's a practical accessory for anyone who regularly uses a microwave for leftovers, vegetables, snacks, or quick meals. For such a simple product, it can make everyday food reheating cleaner, faster, and much more convenient. If your kitchen counter is constantly wet after washing dishes, this simple drying mat can help keep things cleaner and more organized. The TIKNIK silicone dish drying mat is designed to provide a dedicated space for drying plates, cups, utensils, and other kitchen items. Its raised ridges allow water to drain away from dishes while improving airflow, helping items dry faster than they would on a flat surface. Unlike traditional fabric drying mats that can stay damp and develop odors over time, the silicone material is water-resistant, easy to clean, and designed for everyday use. The non-slip surface helps keep dishes stable while they dry, reducing the chance of items sliding around on the counter. Another useful feature is its heat-resistant design, allowing it to double as a protective surface for hot pots, pans, or baking dishes when needed. Dishwasher safe, quick to clean, and easy to store. This is a practical kitchen accessory for anyone looking to keep countertops dry, organized, and clutter-free. The space under most kitchen and bathroom sinks often becomes a cluttered mess. Cleaning supplies, sponges, bottles, and household products get pushed to the back, making it difficult to find what you need. This DEKAVA under-sink organizer is designed to turn that wasted space into a more organized storage area. With its two-tier design and sliding drawer system, you can easily access items stored at the back without having to remove everything in front. The compact design fits neatly under most sinks while maximizing vertical storage space. It's perfect for organizing cleaning products, dish soap, sponges, paper towels, toiletries, and other everyday essentials. The sturdy metal frame helps support heavier items, while the open design makes it easy to see exactly what you have stored. This can help reduce clutter and save time when searching for frequently used products. Whether it's in the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, or utility area, this organizer provides a simple and practical way to keep cabinets tidy, organized, and easy to manage every day. Those were today's top kitchen finds. All product links are available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.